Illuminate your RC crawler with the Sharego Super Bright 36 LED light bar. Perfect for night runs or low light conditions. This light bar is compatible with popular 1/10 RC rock crawler cars like Axial SCX-10, 90046090, and Traxxas TRX-04. Mounting the light bar is a breeze with included hardware and adjustable L-shaped brackets. Securely attach it to your vehicle for a customizable lighting setup, with the ability to rotate the light as needed. Power the light bar with a voltage range of 4.8V to 7V, recommended to be connected to the receiver or TRX ESC. Find additional accessories like the JST white splitter cable available in the store. Enhance the look of your RC crawler with this lightweight and durable light bar. Easy to install and portable to carry, the total length with the shell is approximately 150 mm, 5.9 inches. Upgrade your RC rock crawler with the Sharego Super Bright LED light bar today. Experience improved visibility and style on your next adventure with this high-quality lighting solution.